In this video, we'll examine three significant developments in AI. First, we'll examine Microsoft's launch of a new Copilot key for keyboards that focuses on AI. Next, we'll examine LG's innovative home assistance robot, which is scheduled to make its debut at CES 2024. Finally, we'll delve into intelligence. Enter the world of artificial intelligence with their new business, Articul8 AI. In February 2024, a major shift in computer keyboard design will occur, particularly for those who are using Microsoft's Windows operating system for the first time in roughly 30 years. As part of their efforts to incorporate more artificial intelligence into everyday technology, Microsoft is introducing a special Copilot key on these keyboards that is intended to launch their AI chatbot. They are collaborating with other computer manufacturers to include this AI button in laptops, demonstrating how crucial their partnership with OpenAI is. Microsoft aspires to lead the way in utilizing generative AI technology, a kind of AI that can produce original content, even if a lot of us use the internet and AI apps through our phones. The debut of this AI keyboard button is a noteworthy development as it signals the start of what appears to be a competitive year in the field. The Copilot logo, which resembles a ribbon and will be placed near the spacebar depending on the computer, will be featured on the new AI button. Global companies are racing to develop and incorporate AI applications despite the fact that ethical and legal issues remain unresolved. For instance, last month, the New York Times sued both Microsoft and OpenAI, claiming that tools like ChatGPT and Copilot were using copyrighted news articles without permission. Now, let's talk about this new keyboard. The biggest change Microsoft made to PC keyboards prior to this was in the 1990s when they introduced the Windows key marked with their 4-squared logo. This key has been a constant feature on keyboards designed for Windows. Custom keys on keyboards are not a concept that Microsoft invented. With the release of its Command key in the 1980s, Apple initiated this trend. As of right now, Microsoft hasn't disclosed which computer makers will include the Copilot button aside from their own premium Surface devices, but we might get to see some of these new models at the upcoming CES Gadget Show in Las Vegas next week. This new Copilot key is an exciting step for Microsoft and for all of us who use computers, as it opens up a new way to interact with AI technology. Google also tried something similar on its Chromebooks and the now canceled Pixelbook, where they had a key for launching their voice assistant. Well-known electronics manufacturer LG is prepared to astound everyone at CES 2024 with its most recent invention, a cute, amiable robot created to improve and ease daily living at home. This announcement, which was made just a few hours ago, is generating a lot of buzz. This cute little robot from LG is about a foot tall and has 2 legs. It's not just for show. This tiny assistant comes equipped with cutting-edge technology to take care of your home. It can roam around it and look for any problems. Thanks to the Qualcomm Robotics RB5 platform, your pets can watch over you and even understand your emotions to brighten your day. The robot becomes wiser over time, gaining knowledge of your preferences and routines to become an even more enjoyable friend. LG refers to this robot as a moving smart home hub, aimed at reducing the chores you have to do around the house. And it seems to do just that, scheduled to be showcased at CES 2024. Next week, the robot can connect with all the smart devices in your house. It can turn devices off when they're not needed or when you're not home. Plus, it can patrol your home, checking if windows are shut or if lights are left on, and alert you about it when you're out. The robot isn't just sitting idle. It can keep an eye on your pets and even let you watch live video feeds to see what your furry friends are up to when you're away. It's also smart enough to monitor your home's temperature, humidity, and air quality, alerting you if something isn't right. But the robot's abilities don't end there. When you come home, it greets you at the door and can figure out how you're feeling by looking at your face and listening to your voice. Depending on your mood, it can play music or sounds to cheer you up And if you tend to forget things like medication schedules, the robot can help remind you to do all this. The robot has multiple sensors, a camera, and a speaker. Elements aid in its comprehension of your home's conditions, from perspective issues to air quality. The robot is part of LG's larger plan to introduce a range of smart home products that aim to make your life easier and fit into their vision of a zero-labor home. It is unclear whether people will feel comfortable having a robot follow them and their pets around the house all day, but LG is excited to display this robot at their CES booth next week. However, they haven't shared any details about the price or when it will be available for purchase as of yet. It also uses voice and image recognition software, along with the ability to process natural language to identify and respond to issues as they arise. The interesting news is that Intel is launching a new artificial intelligence firm called Articul8 AI. This is a significant step for Intel into the generative AI space, and it will be accomplished in conjunction with the digital asset management company Digital Bridge Group. Arun Subramanian, the company's new CEO and a former vice president at Intel, emphasized that the primary objective of Article 8 is to address a significant issue in AI by transforming straightforward AI concepts into practical, safe, economical, and efficient projects. Subramanian, an LED as well. In an interview with authors, the AI group and data center at Intel revealed this. Although Intel is best known for its high-performance chips, the company is also interested in AI software and hopes to compete with other major players in the space, such as OpenAI and firms like Google and NVIDIA. Ventures with a capital mindset: Communitas Big, Capital Tan Group, and Le Capital GS Futures, both having recently spun off their automotive chip company Mobi Global and considering doing the same for their programmable chip unit. Intel's move to form Articul8 is part of their aim to bring in outside money for certain portions of their business. However, beginning Articul8 isn't going to be easy. Despite these difficulties, the field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and there are many issues to consider, such as ethics, transparency, and what exactly responsible AI research entails. With companies like Microsoft, Google, Intel, NVIDIA, and a few others leading the way in innovative artificial intelligence AI and smart technology, Intel's foray into AI with Articul8 is a significant step forward. These advancements not only highlight the tech industry's rapid progress, but also hint at an exciting and transformative future for users worldwide. Please feel free to share your thoughts. Do you like learning about this? Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to more exciting AI backup updates. Thanks for watching this, and see you next one.